Welcome to Circuit 3. Today's build is a car immobilizer or battery saver. Here's how it works. A 12-volt LED strip has been used to simulate a car's 12-volt load. On power up, the RC522 waits for a card or a fob to be swiped. The OLED 091 displays messages of encouragement for a card to be swiped. All incorrect UIDs will result in the denied message being displayed. The correct UID will result in the relay board, which has been configured as an H-bridge, to turn on the linear actuator, either retracting or extending it. Only 4 modules are used to make the immobilizer. The RC522 is configured in software on pins 9 and 10, SS and RST, but the wiring must be done as per the diagram. The OLED is connected to I2C via A4 and A5, while the relay board is connected on D3 to D6 corresponding to I1 and I4. The relay board is also connected as an H-bridge, meaning that the common poles are connected to the inputs of the linear actuator. To maintain the aesthetics of my vehicle, I used a little bit of cardboard engineering mixed with Freaking, and the result was a 3D print which is now available on Thingiverse. This design is exclusively for Toyota Etios, although I'm sure you could do something similar for whatever vehicle you have. Even though the installation is very simple because the dimensions of the faceplate are exact, you will still have to find a way to power the immobilizer unit directly from the battery, as well as supply wiring to the linear actuator. Now, if your vehicle does not support a key entry system, this project might not work for you. For the rest of you, I hope you enjoy this build.